G'day, welcome to the course. My name is Julian Sequeira and this is Python Flask for beginners. As you can imagine, this is going to be a course all about learning Python Flask. Now, Python Flask is something that we at PyBytes hold very dear to our hearts, and so we're really excited to be able to share this course with you. This course, as you can expect, is going to go from the start down to the finish with Flask, and mainly around the introduction to Flask. So if you think about it, we're going to start with virtual environments and installation of Flask, and we're going to end with something more complex, such as Flask templates and with the Ginger 2 templates. Now, one expectation we do have of anyone taking this course is that you are somewhat familiar with Python. So while we're talking about all of the Flask goodness and awesome stuff, we don't want to get sidetracked by explaining things like what is a function. We sort of expect you to have that sort of a baseline. Aside from that, the course is actually quite easy to follow. There aren't too many videos, but there's a lot of content to get through, and you'll actually find by video 2 we're going to dive straight into making your very first Flask app, which is really cool. And then at the very end, we're going to end with a pretty cool project. Okay, and when you get to that, I do encourage you to wait until you've given it a good crack before you try and watch the video. So carry on. I'm going to stop talking. I want you to enjoy the course, give it a go, give us some feedback, let us know what you think, and I will add a few more words at the end of the course.